Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. It says swing trading on automation. So if you do not want to manually trade and you want stress-free money on automation, you can check out the first link below and install this EA, and you can grow 27% approximately every year. And if you want to consult with me, talk to me one-to-one, you can click on book consultation, okay? And you can join free Telegram, etc. Coming back to the chart, starting your top-down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, we have taken the stop losses, and as liquidity grab is happening or has happened, as you can see. When I recorded my last Euro USD video, I told you that we have taken these stops here, okay? So this is your liquidity hunt in action. So we're gonna go down, and coming back to daily, this is your pullback, okay? So when the pullback is over, we will decide if this will continue up or not. For now, we will be going, so if you're a scalp, we'll be going down. If you are a scalper, look for shorts. This is your 4 hour, this is your new downtrend, pullback downtrend, okay? So yeah, I mean, scalper or short time traders, look for this thing called shorts in a Euro USD. And if you are a swing trader, wait for the pullback and we'll see how it goes from there on. So subscribe, like and share, and check out these links. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then.